In this video, you will learn how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify store. Go to shopify.com and log into your admin store. Then, install Mailchimp for the Shopify app. In your Shopify admin panel, click on Apps on the left sidebar. Search for Mailchimp in the Shopify App Store. Select Mailchimp for Shopify app and then click Add App. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Mailchimp onto Shopify store. Connect your Mailchimp account. After installation, you'll be prompted to connect your Mailchimp account. If you already have a Mailchimp account, click Connect and sign in. If you do not have one, create a Mailchimp account. Authorize Mailchimp to access Shopify. Once connected, you'll be asked to authorize Mailchimp to access your Shopify store data, like customer, products and orders. Click Allow to give Mailchimp all these permissions. Choose your sync settings. Now, how do you want to sync your Shopify data with Mailchimp? You can do customer data, abandoned carts, products and more. Configure Shopify campaigns. After syncing, you can create email campaigns, automated workflows and newsletters directly from Mailchimp. Mailchimp will now automatically pull in data from your Shopify store, such as each customer list and recent purchase. Test and send. Test your internet connection to ensure a simple campaign in Mailchimp and ensure everything is synced correctly. Once verified, you can send out an email campaign or automation such as welcome email, product recommendations or abandoned cart reminders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.